So if you was looking into getting the SC3 and was wondering, well, can it hook to my phone? You want to know the answer to that? Check this out.
The answer to that is yes. Yes.
You can easily hook it to your phone with one cable, like I'm doing right now.
I was so amazed because I haven't seen any other videos out there. I kept wondering, well, how can I hook it to my phone? Can I hook it to my phone? You know what? I decided to get it for myself so I can do it for you guys and show y'all guys that, yes, with one cord, it's super easy. All I did was use the USB-C cord right here and then hook it to my phone, and that was it. Of course, you need the XLR cable and the mic and everything to hook into this. But all I did was literally hook this into my phone and it automatically worked. That's it. You know how crazy that is? So yes, that means wherever app you live streaming on, no matter what, if it's on your phone, yes, the Mixer bot is going to work with it no matter what. That should be a reason you should pick this up right now. Yes, this video is real. I even decided to bring my separate camera to show y'all guys how real it is, so y'all won't think I'm lying. Look, I'm gonna switch to the camera view and let y'all see. So I switched to the camera view, guys, and yes, this is literally hooked to my phone. Look, do you see the XLR? Where you see the cable right here? It's going right there, right here, going to my over my PS5, not on my PS5. See right here, and it's on my phone. So yes, it's literally just hooked into my phone. That's it. The reason I did that because for some odd reason the cord is kind of heavy, so it keeps making my phone fall. But if I back up, you can see for yourselves. Look, yes, it's literally just going straight into this. So all I did was take this, hook it to my phone, and bam, that was it. Got an XLR mic, hooked it into the mic port, and it works just like that. So that's proof right there why y'all should go ahead and pick this up. I ain't seen no other videos. I was so worried, like, does it work to my phone? I see other people keep talking about aux cable and all that. No. If you got, well, I do have a Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you got a Samsung S25 Ultra, that could be a super easy fix. I'm not really sure if it works for every phone, but I'm going to switch back to my phone. So yes, guys, I switched back to my phone. Showed y'all on my camera that's super easily hooked into this, man. And the fact that I tried it with other apps, it worked. As long as it's hooked to your phone, no matter what you live stream on, the box is gonna work.
It comes with so many different pre-installed voices that you can try, which is pretty cool. That's the female voice.
And this is the robot voice. You got a monster voice.
You got a baby voice?
And an elderly voice. And you hold this button
to get it reset. It does come with different LED modes with the top button right here. You got an amp mode if you have a condenser mic, but I recommend this, just using this for a dynamic mic like I'm doing right now. Works great that way. You can control the volume of the mic down, up, all low. That's kind of loud. And then on the board, it shows you how loud your voice is, which is pretty cool. You got to mute. I can mute it just with this. Unmute. And another cool thing is it got an electric mode that kind of puts you in different just majors or key majors, like pianos. Like, for example, I think this D major, I don't know what that means. I'm not really a instrument. It got a bunch of them, as y'all guys can see. As I talk, I'm servicing through all the different ones right now. So yes, I can really put it in any major I want to. Okay, for real. Now let me go back. And yeah, man, that's pretty much the mixer box. If I kind of pick it up and let y'all see all the ports on here, which is pretty cool. You got a headset, line in, headphones, line out, and a USB-C, the USB-C to USB port right here. Cool thing about this is you can hook this in your PS5 as well. It works. Yes, just the USB-C cord, nothing else. It works. And of course, this is like, you can put it inside your PC as well, but this is how you use it without a PC. I'm not using my PC at all. I'm just using this. I know I keep saying that because I'm just amazed that it actually worked. I was wondering, and yeah, it works. Y'all should definitely check it out, man. Everything that comes in the box with this is, I think, a USB to USB-C cable, a aux cable, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, appreciate y'all guys for checking the video. Make sure y'all go check this out.